Yes, good morning, dear students. Now we are heading towards the next chapter, profit, loss, and discount. Let's see what's given in worksheet 1. By selling a bedsheet for rupees 640, a shopkeeper earns a profit of 28%. What was the CP of the bedsheet? Cost price of the bedsheet. Now see, by selling, that means selling price is given. So first let us quickly note down what is given. So selling price of the bedsheet is equal to rupees 640 and profit percent is given. Profit percent is equal to 28. Now see what does the question ask here. What was the CP of the bedsheet? You have to find out the CP. You don't know the CP. So this is to be taken out. How to understand this question? First you try to make the things clear. Let us make a table. CP, SP, profit. Then you will come to know how to take this question. See. Profit percent, 28% profit. That means when the CP was rupees 100, the profit was 28. And if you are having profit, that means your selling price is more. So your selling price is 128 rupees. Okay. Now when your selling price is rupees 640, what will be your CP? This is the question. See, when CP is 100, SP is 128. That means when SP will be 640, CP will be more than 100. So we can say that this is the case of direct variation, and here 100 by 128 will go 100 by 128 will give you unknown number by your 640. Okay. So see, your answer, whatever is your CP, you'll be getting by doing 100 into 640 by 128. So 64 and 128 goes in the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 6 are 24, 0. 4 3s are 12 and 4 2s are 8. Now 16 10s are 160 and 16 2s are 32. 2 1s are 2 5s are. Now 5 into 100 is 500. So your CP of the bedsheet is equal to rupees 500. Apart from this I have done to make you understand how actually we can reach the answer. But children, there is a formula also for this. If you know the SP, to find CP, you can directly put SP into 100 by 100 plus profit percent. SP into 100 by 100 plus profit percent. Even if you are going to do with this, you will get this same equation. See, your SP was how much? 640 into 100 by 100 plus, what was our profit percent? 28. So this becomes 640 into 100 by 128, and at the end you will get rupees 500. So CP of the bedsheet is rupees 500. Now let us move towards the next question, students. Rajan purchased 250 packets of blades at the rate of rupees 8 per packet. He sold 70% of the packets at the rate of rupees 11 per packet and remaining at the rate of rupees 9 per packet. Find his gain percent. Now look here, how many packets Rajan has purchased? 250. Cost of one packet is rupees 8. From here you will get cost price of 250 packets. So First of all, let us find the cost price. So that will be part 1. So cost price, cost of 250 packets will be equal to 250 multiplied by 8. That is equal to 8 zeros are 0, 8 5 are 40, 4 16 and 4 20, rupees 2000. So this is the cost of 250 packets. Okay. Now he sold. Now from here SP is coming. He sold 70% of the packets at the rate of rupees 11 per packet. How many packets he has sold at the rate of 11? He has sold 70% of the packets. That means SP of 70% of the packets will be equal to 11 multiplied by 70% of how many packets? 250 packets. Okay. So that will be 11 into 70 by 100 multiplied by 250. 0 0 0 0 cancel. 11 multiplied by 25 7s are 7 5s are 35, 3 14 and 3 17. 11 into 175. So let us see how much is 11 into 175. See, this is 175 and again 175. So 5 2 9 1. Rupees 1925. This is equal to rupees 1925. Okay. Now the rest and remaining at the rate of rupees 9. The rest of the packets were sold at the cost of rupees 9 per packet. So SP of 70% already sold. Now left is 30%. So SP of 30% of the packets is equal to how much? Cost is 9 per packet. So 9 into 30% of how many packets were total? 250. So 9 into 30 by 100 into 250. So 0 0 0 0 cancel. This is equal to 9 into 25 3s are 75. So let us see how much is 75 into 9. 75 into 9. 9 5s are 45, 4. 9 7s are 63 and 4 67. 675. This is equal to rupees 675. Now total SP. Total SP. How much is your total SP? It will be equal to rupees 1925 plus rupees 675. Let us see how much is 1925 plus 675. 5501 01 61 2600. This is equal to rupees 2600. Now see children, cost price is 2000, selling price is 2600. That means what? Your SP is greater than CP. Now what you have to find at the end? You have to find the gain percent. So let us see what we can do. Okay. Here SP is greater than CP. That means we have profit. So profit will be equal to how much? Profit will be equal to SP minus CP. That will be equal to rupees 2600 minus rupees 2000. So that is equal to how much? Rupees 600. How do you find gain percent? Gain percent is equal to gain by CP multiplied by 100. Your gain is 600. Your CP is 2000 multiplied by 100. So 1 2 1 2. Okay. Now see 2 1s are and 2 30s are. So your gain percent, gain is how much? Gain is equal to 30%. So this is your final answer.